As October comes to a close and winter is fast approaching, many homeowners are preparing for the colder weather. Twin States News' Todd spoke with some local heating and plumbing experts to get some advice on how to do just that.
Pipe coverings and faucet wraps are among the things that we normally do when preparing for winter months. However, I spoke with American Plumbing, Heating and Cooling LLC today, and they tell us some tips that might set us up for a more positive winter experience.
The main thing that needs to be checked are gas furnaces, okay? They are very dangerous if they get holes in their heat exchangers, which is where the flames go to heat the air.
Christian Mansour adds it's super important to make a habit of changing your filters regularly. The recommended date for changing filters are located on the filter. He suggests the easiest way to do this is write the date on the actual filter with a marker. Plumbing supervisor Joshua Grimes also has some recommendations for homeowners.
Anytime it gets into the low 30s, I know a rule of thumb is that, we leave our hot side dripping, but I would say go ahead and leave that hot and cold side dripping. The more water you have going through that mechanical system, the better off you are.
The experts also point out that when you first turn on the heat, you'll probably smell dust burning on the heating compartments. But if that smell lingers or comes back, you're advised to immediately shut off your unit and call a licensed professional.
Make sure you have a licensed contractor that knows what they're doing, because it can be, like I said before, gas furnaces, gas heaters can be very, very dangerous.
Todd, Twin States News, Meridian.